Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm doing a review on the KAB Cosmetics Lip Kit, and if you don't know what KAB Cosmetics is, it's a new cosmetics line that's just been released from Zolciak Biermann and her daughters Brielle and Ariana as well, and I am fans of them. I do follow them on Instagram and I do watch Don't Be Tardy, but just because I am a fan of them doesn't mean that I'm going to recommend this straight away without testing it out. So I did get this about 4 weeks ago. I've been testing this out every single day, every day while I've been to work, on weekends. These have been put through the test. I've been wearing at least one of these products every single day, and then on weekends I wear all three of them together. So at the moment they've only released their lip kits, and those are what are available on the website. But they do have 10 different shades, and they do lots of nudes, lots of pinky nudes, and they also do some bright colours as well. So there's one that's a bright pink, bright red. They also have one that's like a reddy purple shade, and they look really beautiful. And they are going to be bringing out some more products as well. I have seen on their Instagram that they're bringing out highlighters and blushes and things like that, and it looks really, really good. So this is what the lip kit comes in, and it's a really beautiful box, and you can just store it in here. This is what I do with my lip kit because I think it's just so nice. You can also take out the bits inside and then just make it a really nice box for cosmetics. So this is what it looks like when you open it up, and you have the 4 products in there. You also get the tagline, people will stare, make it worth their while. So in here you get 4 different products. You get a pencil sharpener, a lip liner, a lip gloss, and then also a lipstick. And I think this is really good for $45 because you do get 4 products in here, so it only works out to be about $11 each, which is pretty much drugstore prices. And with the KAB Cosmetics ones you only get 2 products in the lip kits and it's $30, so it makes it seem a little bit more expensive. But I think it's really good that they included a sharpener because I go to the drugstore a lot when my sharpener breaks, and honestly I can hardly find any sharpeners anywhere, so I think it's really good that they included this in the lip kit. So the shade that I have is Glazed, and it's what I'm wearing at the moment. I have all 3 of these products on my lips, and I think they work really well together. They work really well separately as well, and I do feel like I might try out a couple of their other products as well because I do think this is a really good idea, and I like the fact that you can wear all 3 of them together or you can wear them separately with other products as well. They also have an offer on as well on their website where you can get all 10 of the lip kits, and it's $399, so you end up saving yourself $50. Now I think that $45 for this kit is really good. However, because I do live in the UK, I do have to pay for shipping, which is quite expensive. Then I also have to pay for customs when it comes here as well. So on top of the $45, I have to pay $20 for the shipping. Then I also have to pay for customs, which is around £14 to £16 each item that you get. So in total, it does cost me about £62 to get this set to the UK. So if you do live internationally, just make sure that you take into account the shipping and also the customs because it does work out a bit more expensive. The lip kit that I have and the one that I'm wearing is Glazed, and I'm wearing all 3 products that I have right here. So I have the lip liner, the lipstick, and also the lip gloss. Now all these 3 products aren't exactly the same shade, so if you get the KAB Cosmetics Lip Kit, the lip liner and the liquid lipstick match perfectly. With these they are slightly different, so the lip liner is darker than the rest of the products because they said the reason why they decided to do that was because it makes your lips look a lot bigger if you do have a darker lip liner. And then you have the lipstick, which is darker than the lip gloss, and the lip gloss is slightly lighter than the rest of them. I think that's a pretty good idea because then you can mix them all together. Then you can also use them separately or use them with different products, so you don't just get one look from one lip kit, you can get a couple of different looks from just one lip kit, which I think is pretty good. Also, I really like the packaging that they have here. It feels really nice and sleek. It's like a matte grey finish, and you also get KAB Cosmetics on there, and I think it looks really good and it feels nice and sturdy. It's quite thick as well, and I've actually used this in loads of my bags, and as you can see some of the writing is coming off a little bit there, but I haven't been really careful with it. I've just basically chucked it in my bags and they've worked out really well. Also, the scent is so nice. The scent is vanilla cupcake, and I don't like lipsticks where they're very chemically. So for instance, I've used the L'Oreal lipsticks before and they smell like wax or Play-Doh, and I don't really like that, but these just smell incredible, so it makes me like them on my lips even more. So it says on the website that the Glazed Lip Kit is a neutral lip kit, and for me, I don't really agree with that. I feel like it's more of a pinky nude. Well, on me, it looks pinky nude anyway, and this is the type of lip kit that I always go for. It's the type of lipstick. It's either this or it's bright pink that I go for, so I think I chose the perfect lip kit for me. I do also have my eye on another one that's called Sweetheart, and that one is a pink shade, and that just looks really good. So as you can see from the swatches, all 3 of these lip products are very, very different. You have a brown lip liner, a gold iridescent nude lip gloss, and a light beige tone matte lipstick. So in this lip kit, the lipstick is a matte lipstick, which I personally really like. All of the lip kits have different formulas for the lipstick, so some of them can have cream ones and some of them can have matte ones. And by using the lipstick on its own, I can tell you that it is really matte, but it's also nice and moisturising, so it doesn't dry out your lips no matter how much you use it and how many times you put it on. I just think it feels so nice and comfortable on the lips. The shade is really nice as well. And then if you look at the lip gloss, it's just so beautiful. It has gold iridescent glitter in there, and it is just so nice. It's great as a lip topper, it's also great on its own, and I just think this is the type of lip gloss I'll go for. I always go for the shimmery ones, and this one is probably one of my favourite ones. Also, the lip gloss is non-sticky as well, so even if it's windy and you're there outside in the wind and your hair goes on your lips, it won't get stuck to the lip gloss, which I think is a great thing. So now that I've told you all about the lip kit, I'm going to go ahead and tell you the pros and cons and let you know how I feel about this lip kit and let you know if I like it or if I don't. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about are the pros. Now the pros are that the lip gloss is very, very long lasting. I can put this on its own or over the top of the other products or any other products, and the lip gloss lasts for 4.5 hours, and that's even with me eating and drinking, so it works very, very well. And like I said, it's non-sticky as well, so if you go outside and you get the wind in your hair, it's not going to get stuck, and it just feels really nice and comfortable on the lips, and it also feels nice and moisturising. And all of these products are very pigmented as well. You don't need a lot of the lip liner, it glides on really smoothly. I haven't even needed to sharpen it. It's not all the way down at the moment, and I've used the lip liner probably about 10 times, so it works really well. It's very pigmented and it lasts a very long time as well. And the lipstick is really nice because even though it is matte, it is moisturising, so it doesn't dry out your lips. It feels nice and comfortable on the lips, and it doesn't look like it's going into all the cracks or anything like that. Another thing that I like is the smell. They smell like vanilla cupcakes, and it is just so nice, so yummy. And I don't think I've had a lip product that smells so nice other than the MAC ones. These just smell so good, and I'm so happy that they added the scent to them. And the packaging is so good as well. As you can see, this is what the outside packaging looks like, and it is quite stiff. It is cardboard, but it's also magnetic as well. And then I also really like the packaging of all of the products as well. I like the grey. I think it's really nice and sleek, and I also like the shade selection that they've done as well. So they do have 10 different shades. A lot of them are nudes and pinky nudes, but they do have slight variations on them. And I also looked on their Instagram, and they said that they tried out every single one of these lip kits on so many different ethnicities and skin tones, and I think that's a really important step because a lot of companies tend to miss out either the people that are very, very pale, or they miss out the people that have very dark skin tones. And I think mixing all of those together, trying out exactly the same lip products, and on their Instagram they also said that they are going to do another photo shoot where you can see the lip products on every single skin tone, because at the moment you can only really see them on olive skin tones and slightly darker skin tones, and I think that's going to be a really good thing when they do that, because people with loads of different skin colours can have a look at that and be like, I know exactly what it's going to look like on my lips. Because if you see a lip product on someone with a skin tone like me but you're darker or paler than me, it's going to look very different on you, so I think that's a really good thing. That's what Colourpop does, and I'm happy that they're also going to be doing that as well. I also like that you get 4 products in a lip kit, so it's not one of those where you're sort of rummaging around trying to find an extra thing to go with a lip kit. You have the lip liner, the lipstick and the lip gloss. You can wear them separately, so for instance you can just wear the lip liner and the lipstick, or you can wear the lip liner and the lip gloss, or the lipstick on its own, or the lip gloss and the lipstick. You have so many different combinations that you can use for this, and I think it's really good that they did that. And I think the price is pretty good as well, because $45 for 4 products is pretty good. When you split that into 4, it only works out to be about $11, which is pretty much drugstore prices, or sometimes people will pay even more than that for a drugstore product. And the last pro that I have is that the shipping is incredibly quick. So I live in the UK and they ship all of these from the US, and even though I did pay quite a lot in shipping, it only took 3 days from when I placed my order to the product arriving at my front door. 3 days for it to be international, going from America to the UK. I've never had such quick service in that before. So now that I've gone through the pros, I'm going to go ahead and tell you the cons. So the first con that I have is also to do with the shipping. Now, even though it is very, very fast shipping and only took 3 days, I think the shipping is very expensive for what it is. So I would need to pay $45 for the lip kit, then I'd need to pay an extra $20 to get this shipped. And this does feel quite heavy, but to me this doesn't feel like $20 of shipping heavy. So I know that on their Instagram they did say that they're going to try and get the shipping a bit lower. I think that would be a really good idea, because I also have to pay customs because I live in the UK, and no matter what company you are, if someone buys something outside of the UK and brings it to the UK, you have to pay customs. So obviously it's not their fault, it's not any company's fault if you have to pay customs, but for me I feel like that in the end with the customs it works out to be about £60, and that's quite a lot for a lip kit. The next con is that the lipstick isn't that long lasting, so it is very moisturising, and the lip gloss lasts me for about 4.5 hours even if I'm eating and drinking, but the lipstick doesn't last that long. It probably lasts me about 1.5 to 2 hours, and that's if I'm not eating and drinking. That's just if it's on my lips and it's just there. It doesn't really last that long. Now it is moisturising, it feels nice on the lips, it looks nice and it is pigmented, but I feel like for a lipstick that's matte, I feel like I would want it to be a long lasting one. So I do put the lip gloss over the top to try and make it last a bit longer, and I'll probably need to try it out with lip coat as well to see if that goes any better, because I used to use that with all of my lipsticks. So I think what I'll do is try this out as well with other products and also try it with lip coat and see if it makes it last any longer, and then let you guys know if it works. And the last con that I have is that I feel like the lip liner is so much darker than the lip kit. I feel like that if they made the lip liner about 1 or 2 shades darker than the lip gloss or the lipstick, I feel like that would work a lot better, because for me, I just feel like having a brown lip liner with a nude lipstick is quite dark and a little bit different to me. I wouldn't really wear it just like that. I wouldn't wear the lip liner on its own, because I feel like I don't really wear colours that are that dark, and I feel like because the lip kit is so bright, you'd want to get a lighter lip liner for it. Now I do understand where they're coming from, where they say that if you get a darker lip liner it makes the lips appear bigger, but for me, I don't really like it, because it's one of those where if you're out and you're wearing all 3 of the products and the lip gloss and the lipstick come off, you then have a brown line around your lips, and it looks really strange. It looks like, you know, when everyone had those lips in the 90s or the early noughties where they ended up having the brown lip liner and the pink lipstick. It just doesn't look that good. I don't feel like it looks good on me anyway, but I do like the formula, I do like the pigmentation of the lip liner. I just feel like they could probably change the colour of it a little bit more so it matches better. So those are the pros and cons on this lip kit. Now overall, I do really like this lip kit. I definitely recommend it. I feel like the products are very high quality, the packaging is beautiful, the smell is beautiful, the pigmentation is so good as well, and you also get 4 products in here, which I think is really good, and the packaging is just so nice. You can just store it in here. But the only thing I do have to say is that I really hope that they come out with these separately, just because I feel like this is a really good concept if this is your first lip kit. If I got another lip kit, I don't think I would want to get the sharpener in it. I feel like if they can do them separately, then people can mix and match loads of different shades and they wouldn't have to pay $45 for the whole lip kit. Maybe if they did it like $15 each product that was separate, I feel like that would probably be really good. So I do really like it, I do recommend it. I am going to be purchasing some more products because they are going to be releasing some highlighters and blushes, I believe, very soon. I just think that the shipping for this is quite expensive, so I'm going to wait a little while before I buy another lip kit, just because I feel like it is quite expensive, but it is a really good lip kit and I very highly recommend it. So this is my review on the KAB Cosmetics Lip Kit. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you've tried out this lip kit and if you like it or if you don't, just comment down below to let me know, and make sure that you give this video a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!